Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. My hair is straight, which is something unusual lately. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this sunset halo eye look. If you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. And for today's look I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. It has all the colors that I need in order to create a sunset look. It has the purple, orange, yellow. Right now I'm literally browsing sunset pictures. I think I got it. I'm going to start with the crease shade, which for me today is going to be the orange in the palette. Taking it on a Morphe M506 brush, dusting off the excess a little bit. And this is going to go all over my crease, especially in the center. So concentrating it in the center of my lid. Next I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush, which is similar to the 506 but it's slightly pointier at the tip. And I'm going to take this purple shade from the palette, coat my brush into the shade, again dust off the excess, and I'm going to stamp this on the sides of my lid, like basically creating a halo eye with it. So I'm starting close to my lash line, stamping the color. After I lay down the pigment, I start blending it upwards, placing it in an angle shape and then extending it towards my outer corner to create the illusion of a more extended eye. And here on my outer corner I use very little pressure on my brush, so I'm being very gentle with the blend. So I'm very gently extending it into my outer corner. I think I'm going to take just a tiny bit more to intensify it a little bit. Taking the shade again, and this time I'm placing it into the inner portion, starting really close to my lash line and building my way up. This one is slightly angled as well, something like this. I feel like I need more intensity, so I'm just stamping a little bit more of that pigment. Here I have a Makeup Addiction Precision Shader brush, and I'm going to mix the reddish shade with the orange. And I will apply this on the sides of the purple, just to create a nicer transition. I'm going to apply yellow right in the middle, and with the Makeup Addiction medium shader brush I'm going to pick up the yellow and apply it right in the middle, again kind of angled towards my outer corner to keep the same shape. And I'm just stamping the color. And I'm just taking a little bit more orange because it kind of disappeared. I'm going to quickly do my face off camera and then I'll be right back to finish the eye look. Okay, I'm back, and next I'm going to do the lower lash line. And I'm going to pick up the purple again, just on the tip of my brush. This is the Morphe M507, the one that I used to apply the purple on top of the lid. And I'm just going to use the tip to gently go along my lower lash line. And I will connect it to the top lid in my other corner. And I will extend it a tiny bit more in my outer corner now that my face is done. Like before, I'm putting very little pressure on the brush. This is very important. If you're pressing too hard, you might get a patch. You may get a patch there. And I like this brush for the fact that it helps my blend get thinner and thinner. I'm just using the tip, and that allows me to create a very thin blend. And I'm going to use that orange and red mixture. This is not really red, I don't know how to call it. So yeah, and I'm going to use that to blend my lower lash line. I'm going to take the NYX Born to Glow palette to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And on my waterline, I'm going to apply the NYX Faux Whites pencil. Mine is dirty, sorry. I'm gonna apply my Sephora Collection Size Up mascara. I'm also going to apply outer corner lashes, as usual. I told you I'm obsessed with those. I'm coating my lashes in this mascara. I'm applying it on the lower lashes as well. Okay, now I have a little bit of lash glue on my half lash and I'm waiting for it to dry. For my lips, I'm going to first line them using the Boysenberry's lip pencil in the shade Butter Nude. This is a warm tone nude, kind of orangey nude, let's say. In the center of my lips, I'm going to apply the Sleek Matte Me in the shade Feels. And on top of this, I'm going to apply the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Lip Oil Gloss. Such a long name. And this is today's look all complete. I just hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. If you enjoyed today's video and look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm going to head to work right now. I hope you're having an amazing day or evening, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!